Hi, second grade. It's Mrs. Boblet. We're going to learn a rhyme right now called 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's take a look at the goals for our rhyme. We're going to classify percussion instruments. That means we're going to figure out what they sound like and be able to tell the difference. We're going to use metal and wood instruments today. Our second goal is to perform a folk rhyme with rhythmic accuracy. That folk rhyme is 2, 4, 6, 8. Lastly, we're going to perform an ostinato together. An ostinato is a short, repeated rhythm. Here's the percussion instruments that we're going to listen to. The first is the xylophone. The xylophone has wooden bars, it has a bright sound, and it has a shorter sound. The metallophone has bars made out of metal. It makes a ringing sound, and the sound is longer. Now let's watch a video that lets us learn 2, 4, 6, 8 and learn how to classify those instruments. Hi, second graders. It's Mrs. Boblet again. I'm here in my classroom alone right now, so that's why I'm not wearing my mask. When you see me at school, I'll always be wearing that. Today, we're going to learn a rhyme called 2, 4, 6, 8. We're going to learn to say that rhyme in rhythm. We're going to use that rhyme to learn the difference between wooden percussion instruments and metal percussion instruments. And we're also going to learn an ostinato that goes along with that rhyme. Let's start with the rhyme. I'll say it. As I say it, I'm going to pat back and forth in my lap. When it's your turn to say it back to me, I'll put my hands out. Okay, I go first. 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, please don't wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now let's try it together. Pat back and forth in your lap while you say it with me. Ready, go. 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, please don't wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now I'm going to play that on this instrument right here. This instrument is called a xylophone. My xylophone has bars that are made out of wood. Say the rhyme with me as I play. Pat back and forth in your lap. 2. Ready, go. 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, please don't wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. Very good. Just listen to that xylophone for a second and think about what you're hearing. That xylophone with the wooden bars has a very bright sound to it. It rings a little bit. You can hear it after you stop playing, but only for a moment and then it stops. Those are two things that I remember about wooden instruments, like the xylophone. That bright sound and that it rings for just a short time. Now we're going to move over to this instrument. Let's learn the ostinato, the short repeated rhythm that goes with 2, 4, 6, 8 before we play this instrument. Here's your ostinato. I'll start saying it. I'm going to say it several times. You join in with me when you can. Late, don't be late, don't be late, don't be late, don't be late, don't be. Notice both of my hands patted at the same time. Now I'm going to go ahead and play this metal instrument. This is called a metallophone. The metallophone has bars that are made out of metal. I'm going to play that ostinato. You say it with me and pat it in your lap. Ready, go. Late, don't be late, don't be late, don't be late, don't be. My metallophone has more of a ringing quality than my xylophone. Let me play these bars down here so you can hear that better. It almost sounds like a bell ringing. The sound is also a little mellower than the xylophone. That's how I remember how the metallophone sounds. It rings, but it's more mellow. All right, second grade. Now here's the really tricky part of this. We're going to say the rhyme, 2, 4, 6, 8, but we're gonna play the ostinato at the same time. That's a lot to do. Let's start by patting the ostinato. You pat it, I'm gonna play it, and then after we do that a couple of times, we'll start the words. Do what you can. If you can only pat the ostinato with me as I play, that's okay. If you can pat and say 2, 4, 6, 8 at the same time, that's great too. You do what you can. All right, here's our ostinato. Late, don't be late. Let's try the words. 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, please don't wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. If you need to go back and try that again, go for it. It's tricky, that's okay. Thank you, second grade, for joining me today. See you later.